Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Do you want to learn English language? If yes, so why do you want to learn English language? Do you know the purpose behind your learning English language? So first of all, whatever we do in our life, we must clear our goals and objectives. Why do I do this thing? So when the goals are clear, when the objectives are clear, then it becomes quite easy for us to achieve those things. So the question is, why do I want to learn English language? So if you are learning English for education purposes, or if you are learning English for getting a job, or if you are learning English for getting a scholarship, or if you are learning English for qualifying an interview, or you are learning English for becoming a good reader, becoming a good writer, becoming a creative person, and if you want to become a good communicator, if you want to study abroad. So there are a lot of purposes. English has a lot of purposes because all the world literature has been translated into English language, and therefore it is a great source of knowledge. And learning a second language is also a lot of psychological advantage for us. So if you love to learn English and you're interested, so the first important thing is that is your level of interest or level of motivation. And your level of interest and motivation, it is being defined by your purpose or your goals. I would like to share a few tips with you people that how can we learn English language. So the most important tip is whatever we find, we must read that thing. Because reading, through reading we can learn English easily. And so if we find a newspaper, if we find a magazine, if there is a novel, if there is any book about poetry, so we must read that thing. So when we develop the habit of reading in English, each and everything, so this is how slowly and gradually we will improve this language, we will learn this language. The second important tip is making note of the new vocabulary. So we should keep a paper or a diary with ourselves, and when we read a passage or a book, a newspaper story, so whatever new word we come across, whatever difficult word we come across, we must take a note of that. And after reading that story or after reading that passage, then we should consider additionally for that, and we should write English meaning of those words. So this is when we develop this habit and we practice it on a daily basis. So this is how slowly and gradually we will improve language and we will learn the language. The third important tip is we should talk to people. Whoever we find, if we can talk to our siblings, we can talk to our friends, we can talk to our classmates, we can talk to our teachers, we can talk to anybody. So when we practice English with people, so this is how slowly and gradually we will develop this habit of learning and practicing it. So it will also make the task easier for us. Subscribing to an English channel. If on YouTube there is an English channel or podcast, and we subscribe to that and we start watching that regularly on daily basis, so it will also make the task easy for us. Asking questions. We must ask a lot of questions. If we have whatever questions we have, we must ask from different people. So when we develop this habit of asking questions, so it will also make the task easier for us. We should clear our goal. For what purpose I learn English. Whether I want to learn English for going abroad, I want to learn English for communication, I want to learn English for exams or for interviews. So when the purpose is clear, then I will focus on that language or that words or that phrases. And this is how I will improve my language and I will learn it. We should watch and listening to native speakers. If we find native speakers, we must listen to them. Especially if there is a news channel, we must watch that news channel. So this is how when we listen, so we will improve our language. So these are the different tips. If we make it our habit and we practice these tips on daily basis, so we will develop English language. Thinking in English is also very important tip. We must think in English about different things. So this is how we will develop this language. We will learn it. But the most important tip that is enjoying or having fun. When we want to learn a language, so we must enjoy that. We must enjoy each and every step. When we enjoy reading, when we enjoy listening to people, when we enjoy talking to people, when we enjoy writing, so this is how we will, it will become easy for us, and we will learn it, we will polish it, and we will take it to the next level. So we must enjoy this process. This is a lifelong process, and we should practice it on a daily basis. So we'll start from the beginning. We should not forget the fundamentals. We should learn all the fundamental things, the basic things. We must work on that, and slowly, gradually, we will work on all the areas. But in the start, we should work on. We should start with the area in which we are interested. For example, if I'm interested in vocabulary building, so I should start with vocabulary building. If I'm interested in grammar, then I must work on grammar. But if I'm interested in readings, then I must read a lot. And if I'm interested in listening, then I must listen a lot. So when I start with the thing in which I am interested, so that will motivate me further, and then I will continue this my journey, and I will continue my efforts. And this is also gradually I will learn the language and I will develop it. As you know, English has a lot of importance for us. It has a lot of benefits, education benefits, psychological benefits. So therefore, we must work on it and we must develop it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay blessed.